In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Korean in Memrise. First, open the Memrise app on your mobile device or go to the Memrise website on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started or Sign Up. Your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Korean like a local. Memrise teaches you Korean vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. This will find you thousands of authentic video lessons to learn Korean, featuring the exact words you've just learned. Once logged in, browse the language courses and choose Korean. You can start with a free course or opt for a premium membership for additional features and lessons. It allows you to set daily learning goals and choose a comfortable amount of time to ensure steady progress. It provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Korean learning. Memrise's Korean course will guide you through phrases and pronunciation with spaced repetition to help you retain what you learn. You can also engage with other learners by joining forums or groups within Memrise to exchange tips and resources for learning Korean. Although Memrise includes audio and listening exercises, it lacks a significant speaking component. Memrise primarily focuses on vocabulary and phrases, often overlooking important grammatical structures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.